What's up, guys? It's Brendan with Extreme Clean Out Detailing. We are working on a historic piece right now. It is actually a wagon. There's a old-time hamburger place in Ohio that has been around since 1913. They sell thousands of burgers a day. I am working late to restore the roof of this wagon. We're working with steam and a little bit of ADG F-Bomb. Really, the ADG F-Bomb is just kind of to loosen the stuff up so the steam can really do its thing. As you can tell, I've already done this side, and you can see I've got this section left. I'm going to do a small well, really, I'm just going to do probably the whole section and watch you guys watch it because I'm putting it on YouTube. But I'm located here in Miamisburg, Ohio. The Hamburger wagon is also located in Miamisburg. This thing has been around since 1913. It's been through 6 owners, I believe. Historical top 50 burgers in the United States. It is in a book. It is awesome. This thing has been through several renovations already. I'm just trying to keep it alive, essentially, to last longer till it needs another renovation. So yeah, what we're doing is we're pulling all this gunk off of the roof of the hamburger wagon. I don't know. I think this wagon was built in the 60s or 70s. So it's been around for a long time. I'm about to spray some F-Bomb on this bad boy here in a second. Right after I clean this off real fast. I don't get asked often to restore things very much, so I'm having a good time with this job. It's fun, it's unique, it's very unique. It's going to be great content for YouTube. I've been detailing professionally for going on 3 years now. Pretty well known for my interior level work. I'm also an SPS certified graphene installer and SB3 coatings installer. They're also, SB3 coatings is going to have an episode on Motor Trend coming up, which is pretty cool. Barry Thiel and my good friend Giannis is going to be on there, which is pretty freaking awesome. Whenever I get out of Nashville, I see him. I'm supposed to be getting dinner next time I go down, so we'll see what happens. He's a pretty cool dude. Yeah, this thing's really dirty. But here we go. I'm going to do a little bit of F-Bomb real quick. I'm just going to spray it on here real fast. So you can see it. Then we're going to clean it off. Test spot. There's a section. Then we're going to take this rag and wipe it off. We're going to soak it down with some F-Bomb more. This section really needs to be soaked down because this is probably where the worst of it is, honestly. This side right here was really, really bad too, but I'd say it even doesn't compare to right here. Well, there you go. You can tell, it looks pretty nice and white. Again, I think this is like a lacquer paint or a water-based paint that's on this trim. So I'm taking off the paint as well and bringing it back to its original surface. That way, if he does have to paint over it again, he can paint it again. So yeah. steamer I'm using is the McCalla. It's whatever the most expensive one is. I don't know, it's a stand-up one. It's pretty cool. I'm getting a cheap steamer, but I mean, I don't really see it necessary to get one. I'm just getting one to get one. Just to say I have one, really. As you can tell, this section is going to take a lot longer than the rest of these sections. I'm flying through the other sections. This section's a little bit more difficult than the other sections. So yeah. Man, it is looking great. You can see this is the kind of stuff I'm getting off of there right now. It's wild. I'm not going to continue to swap out pieces because this piece is, I mean, it only takes one swipe to get this bad boy to look horrible. So there's no point in wasting that many attachments for one thing. It's a messy job for sure, but it's going to look way better when it's finished. I'll show you guys an outside photo of what this thing looks like too, and then I'm going to cut the video off, guys. It's pretty cool. I mean, literally, it is a wagon that we're working on. It's pretty awesome stuff.